Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We're really happy to see you here today.
Hi friends! If you're new here, don't worry, you're in the right place.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
On this channel, we help you learn real, simple, everyday English.
The kind of English people actually use in daily life.
Yes, not difficult grammar, not fast English, just natural conversation you can listen to, understand, and slowly start using.
And before we start, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because it really helps us reach more English learners like you.
All right, Emma, how are you today? Honestly, I'm okay, but I feel a little tired today.
Oh really? One of those days?
Yes, not bad, not great, just normal life tired.
That actually sounds perfect for today's topic.
Exactly, because today we're talking about something very simple, very real.
Daily life.
Yes, talking about your daily life in English.
What you do every day, how your day starts, what makes you tired, what makes you happy.
Because when you meet someone and they ask, "How's life?" or "What do you do every day?"
Many learners freeze.
They know words, but they don't know how to talk naturally.
So today we'll show you how, step by step, slowly, like real people talking.
So, Jack, how was your morning today?
My morning. It was a little messy.
Messy how?
I woke up late.
Oh no.
My alarm rang, I heard it, and I said, 5 more minutes.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous. 5 minutes became 20 minutes.
That happens to everyone.
Then I rushed out of bed, brushed my teeth very fast, and made coffee.
Did you eat breakfast?
Nope.
Classic daily life problem.
Yes, and later I felt hungry and angry.
Hungry plus angry equals hangry.
Exactly. I was very hangry.
See? This is daily life English. Very simple, very real.
So, Emma, when we say daily life, what do we mean?
Daily life means the normal things you do every day.
Like waking up,
Brushing your teeth,
going to work or school,
cooking,
cleaning.
using your phone too much,
That's definitely daily life.
watching videos, resting, talking to family, feeling tired, feeling happy.
All of that is daily life.
Many learners tell me, "I know English words, but I don't know what to say."
Yes, they think daily life is boring.
But daily life is not boring. It's relatable.
The problem is, they try to speak perfect English.
Instead of real English.
Real English is simple.
Short sentences.
Small feelings.
Natural pauses. Let me ask you something, Jack.
Okay?
Do you have busy days or calm days?
Honestly, mostly busy days.
Same here.
I wake up thinking, okay, what do I have to do today?
That sentence is very useful, by the way.
Yes, what do I have to do today? Perfect daily English.
So, what makes your day busy?
Work, messages, emails, meetings.
Too many notifications?
Too many. My phone never stops.
That's modern daily life.
Exactly. And sometimes even before breakfast, I already feel tired.
That feeling. I haven't done anything yet, but I'm already tired.
Yes, that one.
Let's talk about daily life at home.
Good idea.
What do you usually do after work?
When I get home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes.
That feels good.
Then I sit down and I don't move for 5 minutes.
Just silence?
Just silence.
That's very real.
Sometimes I check my phone again, even though I don't want to.
That's also daily life.
Then I think, okay, I should cook.
but you don't want to.
Exactly.
So do you cook every day?
No. Some days I cook.
And some days?
Some days I open the fridge and hope food appears.
I do that too.
Daily life English right there.
So what do you usually say?
I'm too tired to cook today.
Great sentence.
Or I'll just eat something simple.
Simple food is part of daily life. Okay, honest question.
Uh-oh.
Do you like cleaning?
No.
Thank you for being honest.
I clean because I have to, not because I want to.
Same.
For example, laundry.
Laundry never ends.
Never.
You wash clothes.
Then somehow they appear again.
Exactly.
So I often say, I need to do laundry today.
That's a perfect daily life sentence. Many learners ask, how do I say I'm tired in different ways?
Good question.
You can say, I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm exhausted.
Or very natural English, I'm done.
Yes, I'm done for today.
That's very common.
Daily life is full of tired moments.
But daily life is not only stress.
Yes, there are small happy moments too.
Like what?
For me, a quiet morning.
No noise?
No noise, just coffee and sunlight.
That sounds nice.
I often say, this moment feels nice.
Very simple, very natural.
What about you?
For me, it's when work is finished and I don't have to rush.
That feeling of relief.
Yes, I finally finished everything.
Let's talk about phones.
Uh-oh, dangerous topic.
How much time do you spend on your phone?
Too much.
Honesty is good.
Sometimes I pick up my phone without a reason.
That's daily life for many people.
So I say, I'm wasting time on my phone.
That's a very useful sentence. Daily life also means talking to people.
Coworkers, family, friends.
Sometimes good conversations.
Sometimes awkward ones.
Yes.
Like small talk.
How's your day? How's work going?
Simple questions, but very important.
And simple answers too. It's going okay. Pretty busy. Same as usual.
Emma, can I say something honest?
Of course.
Sometimes daily life feels boring.
That's okay.
Same routine, same days.
Many people feel that way.
So you can say, every day feels the same.
That sentence is very common, but boring doesn't mean bad.
Sometimes boring means peaceful.
If you're listening right now,
And thinking, I don't know what to say about my life.
you do.
Your daily life is enough.
You don't need perfect English.
You need real English.
Let's give our listeners something to try.
Yes.
Answer these questions, even in your head.
What time do you wake up?
What do you do in the morning?
What makes you tired?
What makes you feel calm?
These are daily life English questions.
Daily life may feel simple,
Sometimes boring.
sometimes stressful,
Sometimes happy in small, quiet ways.
and that's okay.
Because daily life is where real English lives.
Not in perfect sentences,
Not in difficult grammar.
but in small moments.
I'm tired today. I need a break. I'm busy. I feel okay.
These are powerful sentences.
Because they are real.
If you can talk about your daily life,
You can talk about anything.
don't wait until your English feels perfect.
Start with one sentence today.
Talk about your morning.
Talk about your food.
Talk about how you feel.
Your English will grow step by step.
And remember,
Mistakes are part of daily life too.
so don't be afraid.
Just speak.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Please like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and write one sentence about your daily life in the comments.
We read every comment.
We're proud of you.
Keep going,
Keep practicing.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.